Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be on my 2014 Triumph Thruxton 900. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I traded my Kawasaki Vulcan for this 2014 Thruxton. So it has just over 12,000 miles, and it is probably one of the funnest bikes I've ever owned. So I haven't done much to it. That off channel, I removed the reflectors that were here, and I moved the reflectors that were off the fender and put a new battery in it. So really simple stuff, nothing major, but that's about to change. Because here we have a Bassani exhaust system for it. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to take these pipes off. This is a slip-on system, so we'll show you how to do that and get this new system on. But first, I need to give you guys a cold start up of this bike so you can hear what it sounds like with stock exhaust. Let's go ahead, get her clicked up into neutral. There we go. And let me yeah, so not bad sounding from the factory, but I have a feeling it's getting ready to sound a whole lot better. Is take your wrench, which is a 12 millimeter, and you come back here and take this nut off. That nut is what's holding on your passenger back peg, and you'll have this bolt on both sides. So as you can see, I've already got mine loosened up. Just take it, and you're gonna be able to pull it straight out. Alright guys, so the next step is you got your two exhaust clamps after you get your passenger pegs off. So we got those off. The next step is here. Mine's 6 millimeter bolts. Yours could be I think like a 13 millimeter bolt. It just varies on the model. But mine here, 6 millimeter Allens. So we'll go ahead and loosen those off. And then at that point, you should be able to just tilt this back out of this holder and take the bushing out. So I'll show you what that looks like once I get it. I'm going to tilt that guy back like so, and then I'm going to wiggle it off and show you how the bushings are. Alright, with the passenger side pipe off here, you can see this bushing. You got this outer ring that comes off, and then you should just be able to push this guy out, and then there's your bushing. You want to save that. If you're torn, you'll want to get a new one or dry rotted. But what we're going to do now is just go to the other side and get that pipe off. Like I said, be sure to save all your hardware and all your bushings. Alright guys, so here's all the old parts taken off. There's the stock mufflers. And then I've got this piece here that was zip tied on. So I'm not quite sure. I think it might just be a bump. I'll have to look. I'll let you know. But clamps, bushings, side pegs, new exhaust. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this pipe a little bit. Take a Scotch-Brite pad and just clean up that carbon and kind of shine it up there for a second. Just I want to make sure I get a good seal on this new pipe. All right guys, so I got both sides cleaned up. I actually had to enlist the help of my fiber brush on a drill, and then I finished up with a Scotch-Brite pad. But now it's all polished up. It's ready for the new pipe to go on. I will take my tough towel and clean up those clamps and bushings before I put them into the new one. I figured out what this one is. It's actually a like a bump stop for the frame. So that is what we're gonna do. All right guys, got them installed, got the clamps torqued down, got the bolt back in. So you see, I left this packaging on as I was installing, just so I could avoid from touching this too much. Because the next thing we're going to do is get a rag with alcohol and wipe down this pipe real good and get all the fingerprints off of it. Because on chrome, if the chrome gets hot and it's got your oils on your skin, it will bake them into the chrome. So in order to harden the surface, obviously we have to run it. And it comes with a cycling instruction of heating it, letting it cool, heating it, letting it cool. But my wife wants to take a ride down to the gas station. So that's how it's getting its inaugural break-in. So this little piece here, I'm an idiot, that little rubber piece, that's for your kickstand to come back and hit again. So let's go ahead and get it cleaned off. All right, let's see if we can give it that initial start. So the look is great, the initial sound is good. This is with baffles in. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'm going to get on this thing, take it for a ride. It sounds great, it looks great. I'm going to hit a picture of it on my Instagram in the daylight so you can actually see what it looks like. But anyways, please hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram, Mustang Jackson 67. And until next time, let's keep building.